Is meal planning one of your top goals to help you lose weight in 2023? Do you want to start eating out less and start eating in more? Well, in this video, I will show you how to get this warm cabbage salad to your table with all the fixings in no time at all. Meal planning, prepping, and cooking can be a hassle without a plan. I like to make things simple, so eating good food doesn't have to be hard at all. Hit the like button if you feel you need inspiration for quick and easy meals. Now, this warm cabbage salad with quinoa and chickpea crumble takes under 20 minutes to prepare and contains ingredients that are probably already in your kitchen now. Doubling the recipe is easy and it can be stored in a container for lunch the next day. This salad also pairs very well with any kind of protein like fish or leftover roasted chicken. Now, let's get cooking so we can see how we can get this delicious salad to your table tonight. Now, wasn't that easy? And it sure beats the regular routine of grilled chicken over salad routine for lunch or dinner, which is boring. This recipe is definitely not boring, and it is packed with flavor and punch. And remember, the fiber from the cabbage and the protein from the chickpeas and the quinoa are filling and extremely satisfying, so you probably won't get the munchies mid-afternoon after a meal like this. Press the like button if you feel this is a meal you would consider making tonight. Now, if you enjoyed this recipe and want more fun and easy recipe ideas that you can incorporate into your weekly menu planning, please smash the subscribe button so we can stay connected and you can continue seeing great content like this. Do it. Your taste buds will thank you for it.